So in this video, I'm going to briefly go over SAP. They will now be working with GameStop to build an omnichannel retail experience. I'm going to kind of get into what that means in this video. Of course, this is financial advice, just my personal thoughts and opinions, but you can see it here. On August 28th, 2022, we implemented new enterprise resource planning software, SAP, as part of a plan to integrate and upgrade our systems and processes. Additional implementation activities are expected to continue in phases over the next few years. It's going to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of financial and business transaction processes, as well as the underlying systems environment. While we expect SAP to strengthen our internal financial controls, management will continue to evaluate and monitor our internal controls and processes and procedures in each of the affected areas evolve. Okay, so what does all that kind of mean? So first, we're going to go here, right? What does omnichannel mean? That's step one. Denoting or relating to a type of retail that integrates the different type methods of shopping available to consumers, right? Examples are online, physical store, or phone. And I think in GameStop's case, you also have to consider the NFT marketplace as well as the wallet. So what is omnichannel in simple terms? Omnichannel, all spelled omnichannel, is a multi-channel approach to sales that it seeks to provide customers with a seamless shopping experience. All right, so GameStop, in my opinion, has a strong name, and when you have a strong name, you need strong technology behind it to continue providing that good experience that customers want. So if you look here, it's simple, a Google search, right? Impact of retail technology. If you read all this, why is retail technology important? Enhancing the shopper experiences by providing convenience, speed, better service, and value to the customer. Simple but true. What technologies have impacted the retail the most? Artificial intelligence. Yes, very true. When you have data being collected and combed through, you can see, okay, well, this type of person prefers this type of product. Okay, well, this person is more into collectibles. This person clearly has an Xbox. They're not buying PS games, right? Things of that nature. That's what this technology can tell GameStop, which then they can market to their customers better. They can market their PowerUp Rewards programs and like specialties better, right? Promotions. Then what impact of technology on relationship and retailing? Technology is beneficial of retail relationships. It facilitates a better communication flow between retailers and their customers, as well as retailers and their suppliers, and there are faster, more dependable transactions. It's very true. So GameStop can work better with their suppliers. Like, okay, well, we're selling more of this in this region, so we better restock it faster. Okay, this region, we don't sell as much of this. You guys don't have to give us many supplies on the West Coast, whereas the East Coast, right? And maybe that's for a certain collectible. They can get really in detail with these things and work with their different suppliers to make better and smarter business decisions. Okay, so now let's get on to SAP's actual website. So commerce everywhere, right? You want to be able to buy on the NFT marketplace a GameStop item. You want to be able to buy on GameStop's app, in a GameStop store, on the GameStop website, right? And you want it to be personalized. When you have a GameStop account and a PowerUp Rewards account, the data will be collected, right, of what you're doing. Every retail company does that. If you think, oh my God, they're going to like keep an eye on me, well, every company you buy from and you have an account, guess what? They're marketing to you in some way or another. So you also have your convenience. You want, the simplicity that GameStop has to offer with their marketplace and website and just experience as a whole, and sustainability. You want a sustainable business model with consistent customers, right? And there's some other information down here, but I don't want to just read all this stuff to you guys. So if you just see customer reviews, a lot of companies, right? NBA, Royal Greenland, right? NHL down here, work with SAP. And then SAP, a little bit on their supply chain management, right? That's just one aspect of things they do for retail. Supply chain planning, supply chain logistics, manufacturing, product lifecycle management, enterprise asset management, right? A lot of the different stuff that GameStop needs to grow and become strong and continue to develop, SAP has to offer. So I'm really excited to see GameStop working with them, and I think it will be a great thing for them in the future. Again, as somebody who's worked in retail, I understand that technology really matters. And think about this. If GameStop was a dying company, right, and maybe some people shorting the stock had a conflict of interest, BCG, but if they were on the board, do you think they were implementing technology like this? Or do you think GameStop's technology has probably been the same for like a decade, and now it is just finally being upgraded? So my point is that's going to take years. Remember it said back here, oh, well, it's going to take years of implementation over multiple phases. Yes, because they're going to have to see what the technology gives back to them, right? Or not technology, rather the data that comes back to them. How are they going to best utilize it to benefit GameStop in the long run? And they'll continue to implement what works through using SAP. What doesn't work? Okay, well, let's try it a different way. So it's a multi-year thing, a multi-phase thing. Hope this all made sense. I'd love to hear everybody's thoughts in the comments. Just some of mine. Hope you have a great day.